Error E5 is an indication of an issue with the Climatronic temperature sensor within the Ergoline Sunbed. This error does not deactivate the sunbed. Instead, it requires manual resetting by pressing the start button after each session. The primary symptom associated with Error E5 is the sunbed consistently displaying a static temperature reading regardless of the actual functioning and efficiency of the air conditioning system. This sensor is responsible for monitoring and reporting the internal temperature of the sunbed to the control unit. When this sensor malfunctions, it fails to provide accurate temperature readings, resulting in the erroneous display of temperature information. It is important to note that this issue is isolated to the sensor and does not reflect a fault within the air conditioning system. To resolve Error E5, the faulty Climatronic temperature sensor should be inspected and, if necessary, replaced. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of faulty components are essential to ensure the optimal performance and longevity of the Ergoline Sunbed.